Okay, since Trey is very inflexible, or not very flexible, I had to use my wife, my pregnant wife, by the way, which I really appreciate. My wife, yeah, 8 months pregnant.
Yeah.
It's from a closed match lock position. Can't get it on Trey since by the time I'm not halfway pulling my foot back, he's already tapped. Okay, so this does from closed match lock. Whichever foot, I don't know if you want to come on this side real quick. And I'm high, up on her back, my butt's out. Whatever foot is closest, you see inside here, it's my left foot. Whatever foot is close, you're going to lean to the other side, post up on their head, and as you come out, you're going to pull your foot out. You see right down here. Alright? Cinches down the arm. Okay? Push up. You lean and bring out the other leg. And then all you do is sit.
It's not
good.
Okay.
Sit and lean forward. Alright, so you're gonna sit, lean forward, apply pressure to the head.
That's enough pressure.
We call it the arm sever or double arm sever. So for people that are really flexible, say if you get this one, closed match lock, post up, push on the head, come out here, cinching down that arm, come up again, lean forward, here, sit back and push forward. That's a arm sever. A lot of different options going into this move. Those are just some of them. And yeah, there will probably be more to come. So hopefully you can try these out and it'll look okay. I appreciate your comments and constructive criticism. So let me know what you think.